Hi and welcome. In this video, let me show you how I paid my GCredit dues and other payment options. My name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Previously, pinakita ko and in-explain ko how you can activate your GCredit. If you haven't watched that video, check the link here on the top right corner of your screen. Now, let's jump into how to pay your GCredit dues. This is the basic how you pay. There are other methods you can pay and I'll mention them later pero hindi na in detail. First thing, syempre, make sure na may enough na laman ang ating GCash. Then, click on Manage Credit. Kung mas maaga kayong magbabayad, hindi pa magpapakita sa billing details yung babayaran nyo or yung bayarin nyo. But dito sa my billing details, makikita mo dapat dito dyan yung amount, magkano ang babayaran mo sa kabuuan. By the way guys, you can also enable GCredit as your backup online payment by toggling this on dito sa my online payment settings. So going back, click Pay Credit. Then makikita natin sa total used credit limit yung kailangan nating bayaran. Then enter lang natin yung amount na yan. Once you're done, click Confirm. And you're done. So, makaka-receive ka ng mga text messages na on process na yung payment mo and a reminder na within 2 business days na mapopost yung payment mo. After nyan, refresh nyo lang yung app. And then, babalik na yung credit mo as available credit and you can use it for another transaction ulit. I highly recommend na i-save nyo yung receipt para as your future reference in case na magka-problema kayo sa payments nyo. But I hope not, of course. Alright, so that's the easiest way for me na magbayad ng aking balance. But sabi ko nga kanina, there are other ways you can pay aside from here on GCash. So you can scroll down dito sa homepage ng app and then click on how to pay for GCredit dues. And madaming instructions dyan on how you pay. First, yung ginawa natin kanina. So, these are the other ways. So, I'll be flashing on the screen. Meron din dyan, I think, is LBC, Bayad Center, EasyPay, and the like. Yan. So, makikita nyo dyan, meron din silang instructions na binigay how you pay sa mga other payment centers. Alright. Now, kung napansin nyo, sa binayaran ko na hindi pa kasama yung interest. So, my story is that after 2 days, naka-receive ako na may babayaran pa pala akong 101 pesos something. And that's from GCredit. Then, doon ko lang din na-realize na, wala pa pala yung interest kasama yung binayaran ko that time. So, I made another payment. Maybe because mas maaga ako sa due date na nagbayad, kaya hindi siya nag-reflect pa on that day. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong ha. I am open to corrections for everybody's knowledge, of course. And just let me know in the comments kung mali ba yung sinabi ko or tama lang. Alright, so same process kung paano ko binayaran yung aking GCredit dues or yung interest. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize din na mas mababa yung interest ko kasi kung titignan natin yung interest, dapat na sa nagamit ko from GCredit, sabi nila was 5%, diba? But, kinompute ko siya and dapat 121 point something peso. Pero ang pinabayaran lang sa akin ng GCredit is about 101 peso something. And that's only 4%. So, yan yung sinasabi niyang kagandahan na mas mababa yung interest niya kung mas maaga ka magbabayad. Alright, so if you have any questions or clarifications, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer that. Or if you want to correct something in this video or may additional information kayo sabihin, you're welcome din po on the comments. So, before you click on the next video, please give this video a thumbs up if nakatulong naman sa inyo kahit papaano. And subscribe to my channel guys, share if you need to, and I hope to see you on my next video.